We're doing an unboxing video for the Holley EFI.
So let's see what we got. This is 3.5 inch color touchscreen. Terminator. We got the one.
Yeah, so it's the LS1. I believe you have to do the 53X. What's that saying?
Bag one. Okay. Which that's probably the harness to the ECU, because here's
the power wire.
Yeah, this one goes to the ODD. Now this is the main harness. Right here, as you can see, it's got all the map, the crank, sensors. Wow. Braiding looks cool, but it feels like plastic. Like made in China plastic. Oh, there's no Corona on it. No Corona. Okay. Here's another bag. Let's see. This has got a number 1 on it also. And oh, okay. This right here looks like the harness for the injector harness. Or this could be the, no, it would have to be the injector harness, wouldn't it?
Oh, so it only needs one O2 sensor?
Yeah, that's what they run off, just one. That I've seen, that they just run one. Okay, wideband. So that looks like the injector harness, which would plug into, where's the, okay, yeah, it would plug into here. And then go to each injector, and then these should be.
That's the O2.
It says, yeah, but off of there somewhere there should be the.
Well, everything's labeled.
I know it's labeled. I was looking for the. Where goes to the coil packs?
It's right here.
Well, this is the ignition.
It's this right here.
These here go to the coil packs?
Yep.
Sure.
They have a cap on them.
Oh, it says ignition OD. Okay, what's this one?
Oh, look, one of the stickers came off. Connect to cylinder head only.
No, here's a.
Connect to cylinder head only.
Maybe must have come off this one right here. A ground. Oh, here.
We might have to close.
Here's the. Oh, it comes with a cool little cover on it too. That's sweet. Screen.
A little touch screen.
Yeah, it comes in its own little bubble pack. How do you open it without dropping it? See that?
Terminator X. So eventually we're gonna go. Here, what is that?
That's the SD card, huh?
I think eventually we're gonna go for a Windows tablet, just for a bigger screen.
And what is this? You can't read. It's an adapter or something. Okay, and then this must be your main. The other main. There's O2 sensor. So we're gonna need a.
Hopefully we don't need an extension for this.
You're gonna need a plug. Well, it depends on how we play it out. And then there should be these ECM. What's this?
What do you mean a plug?
to plug the other side of the exhaust for where the O2 would.
It has a plug in it.
Huh? Right, but I mean, I thought
It has a bolt in it.
it's already got plugged. All right. This is this is for the O2 sensor if you don't already have a port in the exhaust. So that's a bung for the bump. Here's the sticker.
We're gonna need a bigger one than that.
Well, I'll put that one on the toolbox. Okay. Well, they got this too. I don't know where it's at. Looks like right here, huh?
So that should be the ECU.
Bubble wrap. We got bubble wrap. Fresh out of the box. Terminator X. I thought it would weigh a little more weight. This is like
Oh,
super light.
yeah.
I was expecting it to be a few pounds. I guess because the others are aluminum casings for the factory ones. So we should actually kind of like lay this out next to like factory one to show you one spaghetti mess to the next, huh? So this is what it looks like unboxed, guys. We need to go through our checklist and see what each piece we have.
So check soon for when we install it.
And they get the whole installation and tuning manual. And then this should be the parts list. I might need my other glasses so I can see this in this glare here.